Hello fellow explorers, in today's video we're going to delve into the realm of offline maps in Windows 11 and show you how to check for updates. Whether you're planning a road trip, venturing into remote areas, or simply want to have reliable navigation without an internet connection, staying up to date with offline maps is crucial. Before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit that like button. Here's how to manually check for updates of downloaded offline maps in Windows 11. Right-click the Start button, then click Settings. Click on Apps on the left side. Click on Offline Maps on the right side. Click on Map Updates to expand it. Click on the Check Now button to the right of Check for Map Updates. If you get good news, your maps are already up to date. Then you're done. If map updates were found, then click on Install Now. You can now close Settings. Thanks for watching. We hope you found our tutorial valuable and insightful. If you enjoyed this content and want to stay informed about the latest tech tutorials, tips, and tricks, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.